genuinely, nothing gets me locked in like a 6 a.m. hot cup of tea, my brand new journal, and this new prompt that I've been absolutely loving to use. I am so happy and grateful that I ... And then obviously you just fill it in with the things that you're doing now that you're going to be happy and grateful that you did, because it's going to flip your whole life around. Of course, I had to finish an entire Bloom before going into the gym, my favorite energy drink, but I have to because look at me and Bernard just playing around. Me and my husband are the biggest flirts when we're in the gym, and I always feel like nobody's watching us, but obviously everybody is. I always catch people either laughing with us, laughing at us, coming up and talking to us. It's hilarious because we really just feel like we're in our own world when we have our headphones on and we're working out, and it's like we're just by ourselves. But no, everybody's watching, girl. Like, y'all gotta get it together, but we really just be playing.
Is he good to you?
Yeah, no, he's literally her.
Is he?
We've been together.
How long will that last?
We're going on 11.
Keep on. That's how the relationship lasts.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm 64, so I tell you that's
Hey, Nick.
divorce status.
Okay.
Keep it dating.
Learn lessons.
Oh, hell no. I don't like that angle. You gotta do 15 more. Ten more. I didn't like that angle either. This is the angle we want right here. Right here. It's the angle we want. No, do like 5 more. I didn't like them angles. That's how you get an extra 5 to 10. Tell you to get the clip.
This time around, my lock-in definitely looks different. I'm more focused on my actual athleticism capabilities, like how high can I jump, how fast can I run, can I even run a mile under 15 minutes without stopping, you know what I mean? Like, why can I squat 250 pounds, but I can't run a mile without stopping? So I'm more focused on my actual athletic capabilities, and it's more of a test of like what I can do and how much more can I learn how to do. So I'm gonna make a new video on my workout splits soon that I'm very excited about. When dinner time rolls around, the best thing that I could do is allow my kids to help me cook. They aren't the best, but they're learning. No, I'm playing, but look how cute they are when they're trying to cut things. Like, don't cut those little fingers. I need those. Those are so cute. For dinner, we ended up making a super easy casserole. Lately, I've been obsessed with sweet potatoes, so I was dying to try this sweet potato brownie recipe that I seen on TikTok, which I did end up really liking. I rated it like a 7, but I do think that I didn't follow the recipe and I put too much sweet potato. So next time, I'm going to try it again, and I'm not going to put that much sweet potato, and I'll let you know how it tastes. But yeah, 7.5. As someone who needs a brownie every night, I'll take it.
Okay, that looks like pumpkin. That looks like pumpkin. Okay, let's do it like this. Mix.
Good job.
Now that we're getting logged back in with a whole new workout plan, new recipes that we're trying, more meal prepping, and all of the things, I'm just excited to continue to get 1% better every single day. I hope you enjoyed today's video and we can continue to log in together.